Good day guys, today I'm going to show you how to create multiple YouTube channel. So guys, please subscribe to my channel on the button below so that you will get the content that I'm going to post on how to grow your YouTube business and how to get more subscribers and how to change your channel name. So subscribe, let's begin. Okay, guys, what you need to do is to go on to your browser. So you can see I'm using Firefox, but you can use whatever browser you are using. Then you can type in or go straight to your YouTube homepage. It's loading. It's loading. Oh, I don't know why it's taking so long. Okay, yeah. Now to YouTube homepage. When we are on the YouTube homepage, you've already signed in with your current account or current channel. You go on to this point here where you to your YouTube account. When you click that one on your top right corner, you see, then you go to settings. Then when you are on setting, you can see that this is your default channel account. So you can go to add or manage your channels. Add or manage your channels here. Then you click that one. Then you can see on this place you can see that you have all the channels that you have. Like I'm having 2 already. So you click on create new channel. Create new channel, then you type your channel name. My network today is very slow, but you can see, guys, this is how you actually create your channel. At this point, you've already created your other channel from your main channel. So now you can have maybe 2 or more channels. So from here you can upload your video instantly here, or you can change the picture and customize your channel and do whatever you want to do. So guys, if you have any question on what else do you need to add on your channel, you can just leave the comment below, then I'll do another video on that. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can get more videos on how to get extra subscribers or how to make your YouTube business grow. So thank you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and have a nice day. Bye bye.